What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? It's your boy, Mr. M.O., Mr. MC. Let's get straight to it. All right. Now, I made part one, basically like part one, part two, but this is like part two, part three. So it is what it is. So this is like part two, all right, or part three, because I got 3 videos with the same title. But all right, look, check it out. So remember I say join Hideout TV. I'm gonna have all the links below the description from part 2 to this video. So this is why I say join Hideout TV, because this is what I do. You go here. Once you make your account with QUICKREWARDS, you know what I'm saying, you will hit videos, watch videos, and then you will hit this, and then it'll bring you to Hideout TV. Now everything I'm doing, watch me, because you will get lost and you'll be asking questions. Now this is slow, so I'm just gonna already go to Hideout TV. So all right, matter of fact, remember I'm at $2.10. I'm at $2.10. Remember I said I was around $2. I remember I was around $2, but I didn't know I had 10 cents. But I know I had 2. Don't worry about anything else but where I'm going. This is where I'm going. QUICKREWARDS. Remember, this is what you be doing every day. Now I don't know what's going on right now. You know, this shit happens. You know, excuse my language, but all right, here we go. You ready? Bingo. Boom. Back to watching videos. All right. Let's go here. Remember, I said we at 210. Now where we at? 220. It's not a lot, but it's better than nothing. Now you will help. Let me move that hair out the way. Probably some of my hair, but look. Now that helps with the PTC, because it's basically PTC. You just click on websites for 30 minutes. So don't hit me up in the comments saying, why I'm not getting paid? This is why. Daily clicks. View the page and interact with it for at least 30 seconds or 30 plus seconds for credit. Every day, you'll have 2 cents to hit. Boom. Wait for 30 seconds. Boom. You're going to see. Now you're going to see 220.30 right there, QP. You know, we're about to 820 because that won't change. Everything else would change. So since I'm at 220.30, QP is still going to be at 220 because you'll see. Because the account don't change every time. It'll change after like the second click. So the first click, the QP will change, the number will change, and then after the second click, it'll be 221 instead of just 220. You will see. So right now, I'm on here. Wait 30 seconds. My account gonna still say 220, but what's gonna change the account is gonna change the number from the 30 QP. So it might be from 30 to 80 QP. I don't really be knowing what that is. I read it before, but don't worry about that. Just know the more you click, the more your account gonna go up. So, and then you keep switching what I showed you from Hideout TV, from the video points, that's gonna build up even faster. So you do PTCs every day, just like you do paid to click websites, just like this, treat this just like that, and bring referrals in, this is better than PTC sites because, well, in a way, not, I would say it's better, but somewhat better, because you get, you know, $3 per referral. So when you guys join under me, you get $3. Well, I get $3 per referral, and you would get $3 per referral when you bring people in. And all you have to do is cash out. Once you cash out, that could be a penny, 2 pennies, or, you know, up to etc., whatever. And once you cash out, I'll be able to get $3 per referral that signed up under my link. And then when you get in and you start referring people and they cash out a penny to, you know, up to however much they want to cash out, then you would get $3 per referral. I mean, that's a win-win situation. So, all right, let's go. Let's check the count. All right, as you can see, now we at 220.80 QP. All right, let's go back. All right, hit that. Now we're going to be at, remember, we're going to be at 221 after this one. After the second click, that's when the balance go up. So remember, the first click, QP go up. Second click, your actual money go up. So remember, I was just at 220, $2.20. I'm gonna be at $2.21. After this 30 seconds of just sitting on the page. I'm actually sitting on the page talking to y'all, getting paid a penny per page. Hair falling out. Yeah. Hair falling out. It is what it is. It's time for a cut. Time for one of the Michael Jordans, you hear me? But not yet. I'm holding on tight. Should have been about 30 seconds. All right, let's get it. You ready? All right, let's go. So remember, 220, 221. Here we go. Boom. That's exactly how it'll be, all right? Let's go to the referral. Show y'all the referral bonus and see the minimum. Say ready to redeem your rewards. PayPal starts as low as a penny and gift cards as low as $5. So PayPal, you can cash out as low as a penny. All right, remember that. When your referral join and their first cash out of $3. Oh, my bad. So you need to cash out $3 or more. So I'm glad I caught that. So once you join under me, you got to cash out $3 or more, which if this was you, you'd be on your way. And then I'll be able to get $3 per point. I mean, $3 per referral from you and them and they and all that, right? And you'll be doing the same thing when you bring people in, all right? So remember, use Hideout TV for this opportunities and other opportunities I'm going to have below the description. Hideout TV work for every link I have below the description, all right? So let me go to Hideout TV because y'all think everything is a game with this. So let's go here. Oh, you can't even show, but you know what I mean. I'm going to have every link below the description, so join. Just basically what I'm saying is every link work with Hideout, TV. So you can switch the points over like I showed you from the quick rewards, just like the earnably, just like the free cash, just like the HEED TV or HUD TV or HUD UTV or HUD UTV, however you pronounce it. I'm gonna have all the links below the description, all right? And then I'm gonna have Zoom bucks too, okay? It's your boy, Mr. M.O., Mr. MC. Let's get it, let's go. Come join Hideout TV. Give me some more referrals, all right? This is why you want to join. You bring referrals in because you would get 10% of their earnings. And then when they bring people in, you would get 15% of their earnings. All right. I guess, boy, I ain't going to say when you bring in 500 or more. Hold on. Okay, I guess. You know, basically, if you get 500 referrals or more, then you get 15%. So it is what it is, all right? It's your boy, Mr. M.O., Mr. MC. Let's go. I'm out, all right? See that? Come on. Let's get it.